A health club charges a one-time membership fee of $125 plus $N for each month. If a member pays $515 for the first 6 months, including the membership fee, what is the value of N? Okay, now let's consider the given member. He pays $515 for the first 6 months, including the membership fee. We know that the membership fee is $125. Let me write it. And for each month, he has to pay $N, and we have 6 months. Now, to get the amount for 6 months, we have to multiply the number of months 6 and the amount he pays for each month. That is $N. Then we get 6N. So this is a membership fee, and this is the amount he is paying for 6 months. So when we add them, we get the total amount he pays. According to the given information, it must be equal to $515 because he pays $515 for the first 6 months, including the membership fee. Now we have to solve for N in this equation. Let me subtract 125 from both sides. When I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I'm getting 6N on the left side. On the right side, the simplification of this one is 390. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 6. Then this 6 will cancel out. N equals to, when I divide 390 by 6, I am getting 65. Here I got the value of N, that is 65. I find 65 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.